It is hair wash day, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit embarrassed to show you what is under this hat, but I will. I've tried a million curly hair products, and finding quality products that work for my hair type that are also made sustainably has been a serious challenge, but recently my hair wash routine has received a major upgrade thanks to the hair care company Prose. Prose makes all customers take a super detailed consultation so they can send over highly customized products for your hair goals. They even ask you what scent you prefer, which I love because personally I've had to sacrifice the scent in order to get the products I want, but no more! This hair wash routine takes into account everything about my curl type and the climate I live in, containing fermented rice water as an ingredient to combat the Pacific Northwest humidity. And guys, Prose is a certified B Corporation, so you know these products are made with the planet in mind. My new sustainable, great-smelling, and curl-enhancing custom products leave my curls feeling healthier than ever. Take the consultation online to get your high-quality custom products too.